Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com. We have a CRO coin price pump today, guys. Pretty exciting. I want to give a little overview on Tectonic. I want to talk about just kind of what I think should be happening in the markets relatively soon, and just see what's going on in the overall markets. So, guys, we are at 6,340 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded lion NFT, guys, worth about 2,200 bucks. Pretty exciting. If you're a YouTube member, every month you're a member, you get plus 10 extra entries. So, guys, let's hop into this video. Okay, so the overall market right now, we are relatively green, which is nice to see, but it is the weekend, and you guys know how I feel about the weekends. The weekend price action is kind of connected with the traditional market, and basically nothing really happens. You could have a big wick to the upside, a big wick to the downside, and it usually ends up closing, and I should say opening on Monday with a basically relatively close to the price action of the candle close on Friday. So keep that in mind, guys. But there are a lot of interesting things happening in the market right now. We are almost over $17,000 Bitcoin, which is very nice. I would like to see a daily candle close in the 17,500 mark. Ethereum's almost 1,300 bucks. We are getting a lot of meme coins popping up in the Solana space, which is very, very curious in my opinion. To be frank with you guys, I don't really want to see lots of meme coins. I don't really want to see that. I would rather the liquidity going into uh, actual healthy projects. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's money to be made in meme coins, but you got to be quick, guys. If you want to do that, you got to be quick. You got to be in there for a little bit and got to get out before you get wrecked, because that definitely is the case. So please be careful, guys. So let's talk about crypto.com. So, guys, we have gotten a pump. We are in the 6 cents range, guys, about 6.0613 cents, which is pretty awesome. We're bouncing off of this resistance level, or excuse me, the support. The resistance is at about 10 cents, but we are bouncing off the support at about 5.5 cents. And I like to see this, guys. I like to see how we're going here. We are getting some space off of that support. It's very, very nice. Let's look at a smaller time frame, the 1 hourly, because you can really see how far we're kind of coming up here. It's really nice. We need this movement, guys. We really need this. We've been in this accumulation zone for quite a while, guys. Look at this. It's been a while indeed. I mean, we're looking at least 2 months in this zone, in this channel between 10 cents and 5.5 cents. Holding up relatively sturdy, though, which is very nice. I like to see that. But I will say, guys, that brings me to my next point here. Because, guys, I hope that everyone is staking. Because, I've been staking since I got the card back in, I don't even remember, back in the MCO days. I staked and I got the rose gold card. And, I've been collecting thousands and thousands and thousands of crow, and I really hope that you guys are too, because especially in times like this, collecting that crow, guys, is just massive, massive. You collect the crow from the card, you go in the DeFi app, and you can get basically free money. I mean, and if you're staking in Jerry's pool or in other pools on the DeFi app, you're making about 11 to 12% APY, which is absurd, guys. And I just hope that you guys are attacking that, because that is a great opportunity. And like I was saying before, I like to say that, bear markets are for DeFi. Bear markets are for building. I think right now is a fantastic time to be staking, but I will say, I do think that we have a pump around the corner. I mean, Crowcoin pumped what? What did it pump in the past day or so? I mean, we're talking almost a 10% pump. Yeah, exactly. So, guys, when we start pumping, you might want to be prepared to take profits, because, when crypto pumps, it pumps. When crypto really goes and really gets some airtime, it goes and it comes down. There's cycles, guys. It's bear market, bull market. But I do really think that we are getting closer and closer. Well, I believe we definitely bottomed out. I really do, on Bitcoin specifically. But I will say that I think that staking is a beautiful thing to be doing. And if you'd like to see like a little tutorial on that, CryptoKipper will come out with a DeFi wallet tutorial and how to go about doing that. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see something like that. But guys, yeah, staking is important. There are some downsides to staking, and I'll say that the main downsides are basically, there's a 28-day lockup period. So if you want to pull your money out, it takes about 28 days. So that's something to keep in mind. That's why I think the bear market is a perfect time to be staking because, if you're not going to sell when the price action is going down to the side, then you should make money on it, period. But, in a bull market, you should be very careful because if the market is flying and we're going to hit a new all-time high, you should be prepared to take some profits. 28 days to take those profits is you might be cutting it a little bit close. So keep that in mind. So let's talk about Tonic, guys. So we have been flying on Tonic. We have been flying, flying, flying. We are retesting this line right here at 6 zeros, I believe. 6 zeros, 13.99. We came all the way up to here, about 6 zeros, 17.37, which is pretty ridiculous. Would I be buying, if you say Blacksea, would you be buying right now? Probably not. Probably not. I probably wouldn't be buying right now. I think this is pretty crazy. There's either somebody knows something is about to happen, or somebody wants to loan up and lock up a bunch of their Tonic tokens. So keep that in mind, guys. But if you are in this position, more power to you. Maybe you should think about taking a little bit of profits, especially if you're buying down here and these levels right here. But I will say that we could definitely keep going up. I mean, in retrospect, like. Guys, like look at that's just absolutely absurd. Look at this chart; it's insane. We've come down so much. This is nothing really when you look at retrospect. But a big you got to respect the pump. A pump is a pump, and no one went broke taking profits. I'll be that cliche and say that. So keep that in mind, guys. So let's look over at Bitcoin. So guys, we are still like I'm saying. I really think that the bottom is in here. I think that we have. A pump really around the corner here leading into the Bitcoin halving, guys. We are getting every day that goes by, we're closer and closer to a pump. Really curious to see what the Federal Reserve has to say and about if they're hawkish or dovish because I don't think they could be that hawkish. I really don't. We had unemployment coming down, and the chart I showed in my video yesterday about unemployment versus the S&P 500. It's very curious. I think that we definitely have a rally around the corner for the overall market as long as the Fed doesn't come out and do something super hawkish, and they could do that. They could do that. So be prepared. Be prepared, guys. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like and subscribe on this video. Please consider becoming a member. We do our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, CryptoKip and I. And you get lots of cool perks. And also each month you are a member, you get plus 10 entries on this low line NFT. You get a huge advantage. All you need to do is either go in the description box below and click join, or you can click join on our channel right here, and you can see our different perks. Guys, we have a private Discord, and it is going to be released in the coming days. We're going to have NFT alpha and whitelist giveaways on there. We're going to have trading signals. You're going to have one-on-one conversations with CryptoKip and I. We're going to be very active there. So if you guys want to be a member, please consider. We really appreciate it, guys. And that's all I really got for you. See you in the next one. Bye.